kids. Kids, hi. All right, so now, since we know what an irreversible process is, one that's only likely to happen one way, because, it's only likely that heat's going to go from hot to cold, let's talk about what a reversible process is. So a reversible process is one that is equally likely to happen one way or the other. So it's, just as likely to happen either way. Or if you like, because you're going to be introduced to entropy, so let's talk about this too. Another way you can think about a reversible process is you don't really know which way time is flowing. So I know that might sound weird, but it'll make sense in maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So you don't know, a process where you are not sure the direction of time. If you were watching a movie of it, you would have no idea if that movie was played backwards or played forwards. So let's talk about how this could happen. So what is a process that's just as likely to happen one way or the other? Well, that would be if, you have warm and warm. Well, you know what? If these two things are the same, which, going back to what we were talking about before, if the gas and the surroundings are both the same temperature, well, you know what? Heat maybe doesn't flow, but it could flow this way or it could flow that way. So what is a process where this happens? Well, the process that we're going to talk about right now where this happens, there's one more that you'll learn later on, but the process that we're going to learn is, or we'll talk about is, an isothermal process. So an isothermal process, the temperature is staying the same, warm to warm. Remember, there could be a heat exchange. So for example, if I'm going this way and it's isothermal, if you do this is 0 because my temperature doesn't change. My volume is going down, so something, oops, I erased, but I would be pushing on my piston, so adding energy to my gas, which means that this would have to be negative. In this case, heat's flowing out of my gas. Or if I was to go the reverse with this, that would also be okay. So that my delta U would, again, be 0, work would be negative, so this would be positive. So this time, heat's flowing into my gas. The thing I want to make sure you guys understand is going from here or back to here, like either one is equally likely, and that's what I mean by, it's equally likely to happen depending on the direction, or you don't know which way time is going. It could be compressing, it could be this way. So, bye kids.